Yo, what is up, guys? Today, another trade recap. So, today was a bit, I would say, today was a pretty good day in a, on both the execution wise and technical wise. So, both my technicals and executions were pretty good, I would say, today. So, let's get into the trade that I took today. So, coming into the market today, I was looking pretty bearish. The reason why I was looking bearish is mainly because of this market structure shift that we created right here. This market structure shift indicated to me price is most likely gonna move lower. Where can price move towards to? This 4-hour demand zone that we created. So this demand zone was mainly the draw that I had today. We respected this perfectly. Actually, we did not like respect it perfectly, but you can see we respect the 50% of it. We respected the 50% of that gap, and that's like pretty good. But I didn't know these candles were printed yet. But that was why I was looking bearish, because of this market structure shift that we created right here, and that we had like more underlying motive to go lower. So a different approach that I took from yesterday is that yesterday I mainly lost because I was too fixated on taking the retracement. I waited for the continuation lower. So from which point on can I see continuations going lower? So I had two possible draws where I want to see where I want us to go lower. So if price were to go higher, right? I did anticipate us maybe taking out Asia high as a manipulation and then moving lower. So I wanted us to see if we were gonna take out Asia high or not, or like at least not get a body closure above these candles. If we get a body closure above these candles, then the odds of me actually maybe being right is less likely. So best case scenario, price reacts off of this fair value gap or the supply zone that we created. We didn't get to the supply zone. We did kind of get into the supply zone, but not the 50% of it. But we reacted off of the 1 hour bearish fair value gap. That was enough reason for me to say, okay, we're moving lower. So what I'm waiting for, this happens at 2:30 p.m. Market opens 3:30 p.m. So I'm waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm not taking anything. So on a really low time frame, you could say, okay, we're bullish, but this is like where price is misleading. The reason why I was taking losses the previous day is because price is misleading on lower time frames. Why would we need to create this move on the lower time frame, right? Because on the higher time frame we need a retrace. We got into a level where we can see retracements happening. With that in mind, I'm saying to myself, okay, we're reacting of a higher time frame zone. We created this low because of a lower time frame, uh, of a lower time frame zone that we created, like this 15-minute demand zone created this pullback. Where can this pullback, retracement, go to? The zones that I marked out on the higher time frame. So with it in mind, the higher time frame is saying bearish, lower time frame is saying bullish. Where do you draw the line? So as I said, we respected this level. If price did not respect this level, okay, fine, you could say price might be going bullish, but even then you should see that price is respecting bearish PD arrays. With that in mind, you should be looking for shorts in my eyes, right? So we had every reason to short in my eyes. We respected these levels, and that's like why I was thinking I'm correct. If we didn't respect one of these levels, I would be saying, okay, price is not doing what I want, where it could be going higher. But with that in mind, I was looking on a lower time frame market structure shift. You could basically argue that the market structure shift needs to happen from here, but I was so really confident in these shorts that I like took it from here. I would, if even if I was not confident, I would still take it from here. The market structure shift. So I see on the lower time frame market structure shift happening right here. I draw my OTE level right there. Also aligned with this fair value gap right there. I just wait. Market opens on this candle perfectly. Perfect entry. Like, this was such a good trade. I took the whole fair value gap within my trade. Stop loss on this. I could have even taken it to down here. but stop loss was, take profit was on this candle. This was a take, literally took 30 seconds, 36 seconds, and I was out. So yeah, that's basically the trade I took today. I'm really happy about it. It was a really good trade. I had all the reasoning to go short, and like explanation was good, execution was good, everything was good about it. But the only thing that I could have done better, that I realized that I had not like explained to myself, was I could have told myself, okay, this is where price is likely to go. I didn't draw for myself out where my take profit should be, right? So I set my take profit on this low, but why would it actually be going to this low? Why would it not go lower, right? Because you could say, okay, we have this already here. If we are gonna go bearish, we're definitely going through this. We're definitely disrespecting all these PD arrays. So even then, you could say, okay, we have some liquidity left down in here, left some the imbalance that we got left in here. We have a demand zone right here that we could still go towards. So yeah, this is the point that I could have done better and didn't really look into. So this is just a point that I can improve on. But even then, really good trade still, and I'm happy about trade. Yeah, overall, good trade, happy about it, and yeah, that's basically it. Right here you can see this was the execution I took. I didn't take it there. I took it like to here, I think, pretty sure. So that puts us up, back up. We're like break even for the week. Why it's 3 trades yesterday is because I took 2 trades on the same setup. So I took 2 entries on the same setup. So yeah, you could say it's 3 trades, but in my eyes it's 2 trades because I took it on the same setup as in a sense. So yeah. So hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a winning day as well. But like still, if markets are clear, I'll be clear, and I just have to execute really well. I could do maybe pre-market analysis of what I think is gonna happen. So what did price respect of? Price respected this 4-hour demand zone. This was the place where I want price to maybe go towards, which we did. On the higher time frame, we did grab a lot of liquidity, and we're reacting off of that. We grab liquidity down here, in here as well. We don't need to. In my opinion, we don't have to go down back in here and respect this because we already did. So this does not have to be reached again. If we really want to be bullish, we need to close above this candle right here.
The market is open.
If we get a candle closure above here, I will be looking more bullish than bearish. Where could we trade towards to? For example, I will still take it from here. Where could we, for example, trade towards? But even an even better place would be saying, okay, we close above here. That would what the fuck am I saying? That would be a better place for longs, even a better place for longs. Then I would definitely say we're taking out this Asia high right there. We're most likely just gonna run through that supply and take out Asia highs because there's more liquidity down up in there. So, but that's the long scenario. If not, if we don't get a body closure above there, then I'm definitely thinking that I'm definitely gonna be moving bearish. So where can we get reaction of? Like we already tapped that kinda. Is this the whole? Actually, I would not take this whole candle. I would say something like this. So then I would possibly maybe be looking for reactions out of this candle. Where could we be trading towards? These equal lows down in here. Like relative equal lows. Like could be a draw. Why we have like new day. I think if I put on. Well, where did my weekly opening gaps go? What? Yeah, but that's it. Weekly opening gap as well in here, so we could maybe say, okay, we're gonna draw towards there, but even then I would not really be targeting that because higher time frame is still bullish in my opinion. We respect this 50% and like this. The reason why I see this candle is just I see this candle as a retracement candle. I don't really see this as a higher time frame retracement candle. On the lower time frame you could see it's a continuation, but like on the higher time frame I would see it as a retracement candle. Or like overall I don't really want to see it going through all these levels in my opinion. but we could definitely see us grabbing some more liquidity down in here because of these relative equal lows, and then moving higher. Does this align with the 50%? We did already get into the 50%, so even then you could already say we're gonna move higher. We have more draws up in here, definitely all-time highs as well. But if I want to be moving along, I want to see a market structure shift from where this right here. Then I'll be targeting Asia highs, and like I would say the 50% of this whole zone. So like then I'll be targeting this as well, this place right here. Yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be looking for tomorrow. But if we dump, like if we do this pre New York, I might not even take a trade, bro. Then we already did a majority of the move and there's no reason for me to force it. But best case scenario, we close above here, start chopping around, and then we already create some liquidity, chop around it above here, come back in here, take the trade up in there or something like this. That would be like really great. But like, yeah, overall I just have to wait and see what price gives me. So yeah, hopefully good trade tomorrow as well. But I already got the analysis out there, and yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys had a good trading day as well, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.